If you are looking for a great cigar humidor, you're absolutely going to love this. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. We're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you everything that's inside, all the features, all the benefits. So stay tuned because it is awesome. All right, so we're going to get this open here. I got a little tool here that we're going to use just like that. Packaged really, really nicely, which is great. So we're just going to open this up just like this. Really easy to open. Right off the bat, I noticed there's a lot of padding in here. So you'll see here, packaged really, really nice. Nothing is moving in here. I was a little worried at first, like shipping something this nice could get damaged, but it did not. So I'm going to open this up and we'll see what it looks like. The best part about this comes fully assembled. Don't have to do anything. All we have to do is put some batteries in the back of this so it will light up. I'm gonna walk through everything in a second. Really like this gold handle here. We got a nice, easy to lift handle here. Everything is so nice, really, really solid. So let me go get those batteries in and I'll show you everything else. Inside the humidor, you're gonna find a box that contains all this stuff right here. So right here, we have 3 crystal gel cigar humidifiers. We have our hydrometer right here. We have our draw dividers right here. We have plastic pieces right here. Really, really easy. It also comes with these instructions. It's gonna tell you exactly how to set up the hydrometer. Super, super easy. I'm gonna get this going for you, but really great instructions. All right, so we got everything set up here. Here's the rundown. We can get 250 cigars in here. This is 20 by 14 by 13, which is really nice. We got 5 draws. We have a magnetic door. So you can see here, I'm pulling a little. It's nice and secure. When we open this up here, it lights up automatically, which is great. We got our temperature right here. We have 5 draws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really, really nice. Down here, we could store some cutters and stuff like that, or just extra whatever you wanted to. Really, really high class. Love the feel of this. These draws slide in and out. You'll see we have our dividers in here. These just slide into these pegs right here. So when you slide that on, just like that, I'm doing this. I'm a righty. I just did that with my left hand. So it's really, really nice. Really like the gold hinges here, the glass. You can see in this thing, draws slide really easy. So if you're looking for a great cigar humidor, definitely check this one out. And a big thank you to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.